Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can fix the error code 0X80073D0F. And let's get started. So the first thing I would recommend you guys doing is you can click on the Xbox logo on your controller, heading over to Profile and System, going to Sign Out. Now once you do that, you can sign back in and you should be good to go. You can check to see if that fixes the issue. The second method you guys can try doing is heading over to Settings. You're going to go to Account. From Account, you're going to go to Remove Accounts. And it's the same as the first one, almost a little bit similar. And then you can also add your account back in. Once you do that, the third method you guys can try doing is heading over to Network Settings. From Network Settings, what you're going to do is you want to go to Advanced Settings. From Advanced Settings, what you want to do is you want to basically go to Primary and Secondary DNS. And then you're going to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8, so all 8s across the board, and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once you do that, I would recommend testing your network connection from right here, and you can just check to see if everything's working fine. If everything is, you should be good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.